Hey, this is Jack from Alpha Charts with a stocks to watch video. Today is December 17th, 2023. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. Sorry for the voice today. I am under the weather, but I will try to get through the video and speak a little bit less today. So that's that. If you haven't done so yet, you can find me on X at AlphaCharge365. I also offer a super follow group or subscriber group where I give you a ton of information. It's only $10 a month. Really great deal. If you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. So worst thing you're out is $10. Give it a try. Click the subscribe button. I think you're gonna like it. I think most of my members have been really happy with it. So anyway, at Alpha Charge 365. All right, real quick, we talked about this area being potential resistance. So far it has been. It could be just temporary, but for now we are in a little bit of a overbought, overdone type situation, right near all-time highs. Overall, the shape looks fantastic and things are looking good. So, nothing to get bearish about. But again, we may see a little more of a pullback. I have, I don't know, 10 or 12 names for you guys today. Let's give it a go. First one is Datadog. By the way, I'm using Deep View. If you're interested in Deep View, go to deepview.com. Here's just an inverse head and shoulder, and there's your breakout, right? So if we can get, maybe a little pullback right here, that could potentially get us involved in this particular name. Here's snow, right to the area. Zooming in, starting to make a flag. Again, that's what we want to see. Maybe another day or two of a flagging action right into the moving average, and then the breakout. Elastic. It's right to the point. I think, if 111 holds, then I think we could be along elastic. If price gets below 111, there's no reason to be involved. UE path or path, PATH. Again, this was something that me and my subscribers have been in. This is kind of notes I kind of give them. And then, again, we're totally transparent. Okay, it shook me out here. Actually, I got back in here. So, but very transparent in everything we do. Anyway, it's moving higher, and as long as it's above, 2450-ish, I think we can be long this name. Next up is COS, Celestica. Again, nice little just kind of flat base, and now it's starting to lift higher. Nothing, nothing wrong with this at all. It just looks absolutely perfect, right? That's what we want. This would have been a perfect day to get involved right here, right? And it's just been up every day since, right? Any pullback to, retest 28 and a quarter, that could be places to enter. VRT, again, one we've been in the past. I close out the trade on 12/14, right here, but I'm not afraid to re-enter it again. And I think there's nothing wrong with this setup at this point. I took my profits. If it can break the trend line out of this little flaggy area, I could potentially get back involved in this name. But one of the things I always try to do is lock in profits when I have them. And, that's that, swing trading, right? I don't want to hold, I'm usually not going to hold for months to years. It's going to be days to weeks. That's my time frame. Next, another one, we've talked about in the past. We're in this one in my subscriber group. A lot of these, obviously, you see we're in. Would love to, pull back of some sort. Now that's a little bit extended, and then the bigger move higher, right? That's what I'm looking for. For this one, I already have a position though. This would just give me a potential to add if I chose to. Next up is Shopify. This is one that we were in. Again, had a nice run, and Now I'm looking potentially to get back in. We were in from back here, and we got most of this run. And now, um, you know, it had this kind of flag type stuff. It was a little bit long for me and for a flag, but it is what it is. It kind of flagged out here, popped up. So now if we can get again a little pullback because we don't want to buy extended, a little pullback, and then Shopify goes higher, hopefully, right? It's Big Brother Amazon. Again, one that I was in for a long time and I just got bored out of it. My money wasn't moving anywhere in here, and I wanted to get into things because the market was good. So I traded the close, I closed the trade on this day, and it put in, a nice little bar the day afterwards. It's the way it works sometimes. I didn't make any money on this trade at all. Um, didn't lose any money either, so that's a good thing. Anyway, I lost time. That's what I did. The point is that this is, still working, still moving higher. It's a big cap, very liquid name. So if that's your thing, it looks really good still. Here's Coinbase, broke out of its bigger base, which is this area right here. Bitcoin's been doing amazing. And so this is probably, it just is a proxy for that. And we've kind of been moving sideways, marking time since December 4th. You kind of see it right there. So a break above 154, we'll call it 50-ish. And I think that could be a place to potentially get involved. And again, I would probably use this, 9-day EMA or so as my stop, right? If we fall back below this purple, if we break out and fall below the purple box area, no reason to be involved in the name. TMDX, this is one that shook me out here, right there, right? Had my stop in, it undercut the 200-day and went right back up. Looks good still, right? Looks good. The shakeout was probably a big positive for it. So as long as it can hold 76.50, nothing wrong with this. If it falls back below 76.50 and even 75, 50-ish, that would be a problem. If it gets back into the box area, that's a problem. And the last one is Uber. Again, I've been involved in Uber. I still am. I hold shares. It was a great looking setup. Again, I'm not sure why my notes aren't in here, but we bought the breakout here. Beautiful cup and handle, and it is just hasn't touched the 9-day EMA maybe once, and then twice here, and now it's just flagging. Right now, it's just a flag, not doing anything wrong. A break of the flag to the upside. Um, Actually, I probably would rather it look like this. It's more of a flat, right? So breakout as it moves sideways for now 4 days, 5 days would potentially add to my position if I wanted to, or you can start a new position. Okay. All right, that's what I got for the video this week. Again, sorry for the voice. Hopefully, you got some good ideas from this. Check me out on X at AlphaCharts365. Again, we give a ton of information, so all kinds of people ask me questions all the time. Whatever, direct access, it's good stuff. So check it out at AlphaCharts365. You guys have a great day. Bye.